Please activate the subtitles.
My name is Roger Color and this is another episode of Color News. Without any further ado, let's get started. On the 9th of November 2018, Dr. Rey went to Bolsonaro's house in order to offer himself to become the next health minister. Many people are saying that this was an absurd and utterly cringy. You can see what most people thought of it just by reading the comments on YouTube. Take a look. He got a lot of hate messages for doing that. Nevertheless, some other people think that he's actually a very good alternative as a minister due to the fact that he graduated at Harvard, he's a very successful plastic surgeon, he was extremely poor as a child in Sao Paulo, and after years he managed to become a multi-millionaire in the USA. And yeah, he speaks English very well, of course. Let's take a look at his curriculum. I'm not going to read everything because it's a very extensive CV. It's just a glimpse of it. If you want to see the details of it, please pause the video. Our special reporter Roger is going to read his curriculum for us. Roger?
So here we've got his information about his practice, professional experience, references, languages, education, so on and so forth. Plastic and reconstructive surgery, medical broadcasting. Education. From 1997 to 1998 he studied at Harvard Medical School. Aesthetic and breast reconstruction fellowship. Interesting. From 1995 to 1997 he studied at the University of Tennessee Medical Center. Plastic and reconstructive surgery residency. Okay, so on and so forth. 1999 he graduated at Harvard University with a master's degree in health policy. Well, we can't deny this guy has studied a lot. Even chemistry. Oh, wow, his profession. Now let's take a look at his professional experience. From 1998 to this moment, he's been a solo practitioner. Cosmetic and reconstructive surgeon, Beverly Hills. Harvard University Student Medical Center. Well, if you want to see the details of this curriculum, please pause the video and take a look. Look at this, it's a very extensive curriculum vitae. Now let's get back to you, Roger.
Some people defend him because of his qualifications and some other people make fun of him because he's eccentric. But what do you think of it? Do you believe he would be a good health minister? Leave a comment saying what you think of it.
Important message.
Good afternoon, how are you? As you know, I'm taking part in a YouTube contest named Melius Challenge, and I know that you've already voted for me and I'll be forever grateful for that. However, I need at least 1,000 votes before November 22nd, otherwise I will lose this competition. Therefore, I need your help. I need you to copy the link below this video and ask all of your contacts to vote for me. Please tell them that when they vote, they are put automatically in a draw to win an iPhone X, and that they don't have to pay anything in order to vote. I've decided to reward the person who helps me most with their friends and contacts votes. Whoever helps me with more votes from other people will get a free English class with me via Skype and will also take part in the draw to get the iPhone X. I really need your help and I will be forever thankful. You are a good friend. Thank you for our friendship.
Please click the big red button to subscribe. It really helps me when you do that. And click the bell to allow notifications so you will never miss new videos. Thank you very much.